about the petition and supporting education. If people need the level of, whether it's 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 support, they should get it. And also colleges and education providers shouldn't find an excuse, like Portland and people, from reducing the assessment from 3 days 4 years ago when I was there to 1 day. How can you work out whether somebody needs 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, whatever they need, whether it's LSA or whether it's care staff? You can't work that out in 1 day. That's just cutting corners to save cash. But if people need the support, there should be a stringent amount of days that they need to assess people, not just 1 day. I mean, that's a joke. But if people make a mistake with what they should do if people need that level of support in education, they shouldn't let the funding go to either West Bridgford or Matlock at Derbyshire or Nottinghamshire. They should say, right, if that person needs the support, we will halt the application, put the application to one side, put the support application and the money in place, then push the application through, and then get the funding and the support needs put in place before the student starts at the college or the wherever, not the other way round. Because the other way round, either do what I do, threaten them with legal proceedings, but not take them to court, threaten them with that in order to get what people want. But the problem is, it should be against the law. If they need the support, they get it, regardless whether they've owned 157, 127 million quid's worth of cuts. You know, it might cost them a bomb of cash, but you know, what's more important, the money or the support? I know you get people defrauding things these days, like rail cards and bus passes, and well, you never know, 1-to-1 support in education might be defrauded, but if people need it, they should get it by law. No questions asked. And if they don't, they should have, it's just wrong. It really, this whole system of where education and support and things, it needs to change, and it needs to change in a way that, if you need it, you will get it without fighting for it. It's wrong. I've had it happen to me. Other people have had it happen to them. Some in Yorkshire and some in Derbyshire, but it's just wrong. It's just the way how it needs to be structured, needs to be dealt with, needs to be, if you need it, we'll give it. That's what you pay tax for. Not after fight. It's like everything you have to fight for these days. It's wrong. The system with everything these days is wrong. Like, if you've got a blue badge, like I have, right? If you need a radar key, you shouldn't have to apply for it. Well, to prevent it should come with a blue badge, right? Wrong. The whole thing with disabled people needs to change.